everyone, welcome back to my cross-stitch channel. My name is Leslie and I make videos in Russian and English, and it's all about cross-stitching. Today I want to show you what I ordered. These are new cross-stitch kits. There are about 5 of them, and I ordered this from Russia, and I'm gonna open them together with you, and I hope you enjoy and stay tuned. So let's get to it. The first kit, this is by Riolis. Beautiful ladies drinking tea in a garden. This is called The Russian Country Estate. The tea under the apple tree. Beautiful. And this is, these are acrylic, I think they are Russian made acrylic floss. Next kit, this is by Magic Needle. Beautiful flowers. Lilies for the needle woman. The chart looks like this. The next kit, this is by Adriana. Bouquet with hydrangea, if I'm saying that correctly. Beautiful. This kit is really heavy. This says 70 by 50 centimeters. I don't know how much that is in inches, sorry. Look at the beautiful colors. I don't think, this is not DMC. I don't know what floss or fabric this is. This is 16 count Aida fabric. Beautiful. And next kit, this is Nova Sloboda, the manufacturer's name. Beautiful. It reminds me of like the end of winter and the beginning of spring, when you have like the end of February, maybe somewhere beginning of March, when the snow hasn't melted completely, but you can feel that the spring is in the air. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is stitched on 16 count Aida fabric, and this has 40 colors. And the last kit, this was by Aubrey's Art. A beautiful poppy field. This is 18 by 12 inches, 30 colors. And this is the fabric. This is just cotton Aida fabric, cotton threads or floss organizer, and the chart looks like this. I think this is made not in Russia, even though I bought it from a Russian website, but I think this is made in Ukraine. Well, that's it. Let me know in the comment section below what kit you like the most and what kit you would like me to cross stitch for you and show you. Please let me know. And I hope you have a great day and a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. And subscribe and give me a thumbs up, because I've got so much more to come. And let me know if there are any ideas for any future videos that you want me to do. I am open for that. And I'll see you soon. Have a great day. Bye bye.